Coming to the Vastu correction of this house. This house had a kitchen in the southwest corner and old style toilet and bath area in the southeast. We have corrected the Vastu through structural renovation. So, now the kitchen is in southeast corner, the ideal direction for the placement of kitchen as per the Vastu. We have designed a fully functional modular kitchen by using acrylic for premium finish. The design is combination of aesthetics and minimalism in right proportion. The base unit is finished with a white quartz countertop. The modular kitchen has a base unit with tandem boxes, storage cabinets, wicker baskets and a magic corner for corner space utilization. The overhead unit accommodates chimney and there are lofts for additional storage. The old kitchen area is remodeled to a dining area. The tall unit has a customized accessories for pantry. This is the new puja unit we created.